Hello, I'm Julie from Sounds Like This for Kids. Today I'm going to do some clave songs for you. If you don't have claves at home, you can use any old bits of wood or some cutlery or chopsticks, whatever. Here we go. Somebody's knocking at my door. Somebody's knocking at my door. Oh, children, why don't you answer? Somebody's knocking at my door. Who's that tapping at my window? Who's that knocking at my door? Mommy's tapping at my window. Daddy's knocking at my door. Knock, 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 knock. Somebody's knocking at my door. Somebody's knocking at my door. Oh, children, why don't you answer? Somebody's knocking at my door. Who's that tapping at my window? Who's that knocking at my door? Children are tapping at my window. Children are knocking at my door. If you're going to play this one at home, it's a great idea to use your family's name. So mummy and daddy and the children's actual names and the cat and the dog and the fish and whoever else lives at your house tapping at your window and knocking at your door. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.